If you've ever wanted to collect emails, get feedback, or present special offers right when visitors land on your WordPress site, but without spending a dime, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a professional pop-up form in WordPress using the free Popup Maker plugin and the WPForms plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functioning pop-up that grabs attention and gets results, all for free, even if you're a WordPress beginner. Let's jump right in. Before we do anything, you'll need to have your form already built in WPForms. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and watch my separate tutorial on creating a simple form with WPForms. It's super straightforward, and that form is what you'll be embedding inside your pop-up today. Okay, let's get to the fun part, building the pop-up. First, we need to install the Popup Maker plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins and select Add New. Then type Popup Maker into the search bar. You'll see it pop up right away. It's a very popular plugin. Click Install now, and once it's done installing, make sure to hit Activate. This gets everything ready and adds Popup Maker to your WordPress menu. Now look over at your WordPress menu. You'll see a new option called Popup Maker. Click that and choose Create Popup. Give your pop-up an internal name. This is just for your own reference, so something like Newsletter Signup Popup or Contact Us Popup works great. Optionally, you can set a title as well, and that will actually display at the top of your pop-up window, so make it friendly, welcoming, and specific to your goal. Next up, you need to actually embed your form inside this pop-up. In the pop-up editor, click the plus sign to add a new block. Search for WPForms and select it. This will let you immediately choose from your list of already created forms. Pick the one you want to display. This is a big moment. The form you worked on before is now right inside your pop-up. After that, let's talk about pop-up settings. This is what lets you choose exactly how, when, and where your pop-up shows up. Scroll down to the pop-up settings box. You'll see several tabs here. Start with triggers. This is how the pop-up knows when to appear. Click Add New Trigger. If you want your pop-up to show up automatically, select Time Delay / Auto Open. For example, you might want it to appear 5 seconds after someone lands on your page. Just enter 5,000 milliseconds, which equals 5 seconds. If you'd rather the pop-up appear only when someone clicks a button or link, select Click Open. You can even set up a form submission trigger so it shows a special thank you pop-up after the form is submitted. This is great for user experience. Next, move to the Targeting tab. This is where you decide exactly where your pop-up will display. Maybe you want it on your homepage only, or maybe across your entire site. The free version gives you a lot of flexibility here. Just add or exclude pages as you need. Onto the Display tab. Here you can really make your pop-up match your site's look and feel. Choose a pop-up theme. Lightbox is very popular and modern. You can adjust things like the pop-up size, its position on the screen, and even add entry or exit animations if you want to make things pop visually. Don't forget to check the Close tab too. Here you can customize the close button, the text that appears, or even control how and when visitors can close the pop-up. It's all about creating the right balance between noticeable and unobtrusive. Once you're happy with your settings and the look of your pop-up, click the Publish button. Congratulations, your pop-up form is live. But before you celebrate, be sure to open your site in an incognito window and give it a test. This way you can be sure everything works perfectly for first-time visitors, and that's it. That's how easy it is to create a free, effective pop-up form in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, let me know in the comments below. I read every one and I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new pop-up.